Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Aventon Sinch.2 electric folding bike. This model has been making waves in the e-bike community, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Aventon Sinch.2 is a compact yet powerful electric folding bike designed for urban commuters and outdoor enthusiasts alike. It features a 500W rear hub motor and a 48 volts battery, promising a maximum range of up to 55 miles on a single charge. This bike stands out with its 20-inch wheels and 4-inch wide fat tires, offering stability and excellent grip on various terrains. First off, let's talk about the design. The Sinch.2 sports a sleek aluminum frame with a step-through design, making it accessible for riders ranging from 4 feet 11 to 6 feet 2. The build quality is commendable, with integrated features like front and rear fenders, a rear rack, and even brake lights and turn signals for added safety. Now, onto performance. The Sinch.2 handles surprisingly well for a folding bike, thanks to its stable handling and responsive 8-speed drivetrain. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling slight off-road trails, the Sinch.2 offers a smooth and intuitive ride experience. The motor kicks in seamlessly, offering steady power based on your pedaling torque, enhancing the overall riding experience. One of the standout features is its folding mechanism. Folding and unfolding the Sinch.2 is straightforward, requiring just a few steps to compact it down to 20 by 24 by 32 inches. This makes it convenient for storage in tight spaces or for transportation in vehicles. In terms of battery performance, Aventon claims up to 55 miles on a single charge, which aligns with real-world testing showing reliable performance, especially in urban settings. Charging is efficient, though colder weather and hilly terrain may impact battery life, as with most electric bikes. The Sinch.2 comes equipped with useful accessories like a utility rack and a duffel bag, enhancing its utility for daily commuting or grocery runs. Aventon offers a range of additional accessories on their website, from helmets to cargo nets, allowing riders to customize their experience. To wrap it up, the Aventon Sinch.2 stands out as a robust choice in the folding e-bike category. Its combination of power, stability, and design aesthetics make it a compelling option for anyone looking to invest in a versatile and reliable electric bike. That's it for today's review of the Aventon Sinch.2. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.